Hey everyone, let's make a Blackberry Margarita. You're going to need your favorite tequila, triple sec, simple syrup, tonic water, limes, blackberries, and your glass. Start by adding 4 to 5 blackberries to your shaker. We're going to add the lime juice of a quarter lime. To that, we are adding 1 ounce of simple syrup. Feel free to add a little bit more if you want your margarita to be a little sweeter. Today I'm using Don Julio Blanco. Feel free to use your absolute favorite tequila. To that I am adding 1 ounce of triple sec. I am going to take my muddler and muddle for about 2 minutes. We're going to add our ice to our shaker. We're going to cover it up and we are going to shake this bad boy until the shaker is nice and frosted on the outside. Remove the lid. Add about 1 ounce of tonic water and be sure to stir this in. Do not shake this as it is carbonated. Add your lid back on, remove the top, use the strainer that is already in the shaker. Make sure you have ice on your serving glass and pour away. This margarita is so delicious. It has that unique, authentic margarita flavor, but it is totally taken to another level when you mix some fresh berries. So I hope that you enjoy my Blackberry margarita. Be sure to like this recipe and don't forget to share it so that all of your friends can enjoy this summer. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.